Hello, in this video, we will look at two case studies. First, let's look at the guessing birthdays. Now, this is an interesting game. So you ask user 3 questions. You can guess the birthday from the user. So here is the first question. Is your birthday in this set? So this is the birthday of the month. A month has up to 31 days. So you look at this first set. Is your birthday in this set? Is your birthday in this set? The next set, set 2, set 3, set 4, and set 5. So now from the response on these 5 questions, you can find out the birth date of the month. For example, now assume this is the user's birth date is 19. So your program will ask, is your birth date in this set 1, 19? Yes, it's right here. For set 2, is 19 is right here. Not a set 3, not set 4, but set 5. So now there's 3 sets, 1, 2, 5. So the first number from each set now is used to add together, that is 19. So the reason we can do this is this. The set here, look at all this here, this is all the numbers here. They have the last digit is 1 in binary. So the 31 is you have 5 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the binary number. This here, so all of the numbers, they are first digit. So the last digit, okay, is 1. This is 5 binary numbers. So the last binary number is 1. The second one is, the second set is the second last digit is 1. So all of these numbers, so 2 is 1, 0, 3 is 1, 1, and so 6 is 1, 1, 0. So you can see here all of this. Now for this set 3, the middle number is 1. And for 4, and the second number is 1. And this 5, the first number is 1. So this is how we get all these numbers here. Look at this now. This is all the 31 binary numbers here. This is the all of this right here. So we have 5 binary digits. So for 19, it is 1, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 0. So the set from the first set is you have the number 1, and the second set you have this 2 is 1, 0, and this, the last one is, this is 16. That's all you add together is 19. So let's say if your birth date is 31, so then you have it in every set. So that is the mathematics behind this game. Now we're going to write a program. So write a program, we're going to prompt the user for all these questions. So the first question is your birth date in set 1. So you're going to answer Y for yes and N for no. So this is here, and this is the answer. And we're going to test this Y. So let's do this answer dot up. So if it's lowercase y, that is fine. So it's converted to uppercase. So that is tested. Now, if true, then we can add a 1 to day. So that's the day we're going to determine. Now the second question, is your birthday in set 2? If so, we will add 2 to date. And the next ones, if the birthday in set 3, we're going to add 4. 4 is binary 100. So add it to date. If this birthday is in set 3, we're going to add this to date. So which number we're going to add it to date is the binary number 1000, that is 8. If it's in the set 5, we're going to add 16. So that's the program. So this is the case study for guessing birthday. We will look at another case study in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.